Who will solve that problem? Hold on. You have a government of BJP at the center. You have the government of BJP here in the national capital. You have government of the BJP in neighboring state of Uttar Pradesh. You have the government of BJP in Haryana. All the neighboring states, Rajasthan, you have government of Bharatiya Janata Party. Why is it? What is it taking so long for the government, maybe the environment minister, to call all the chief ministers and try and formulate a plan? What are we waiting for?
Give me some time to reply. It is not a one-day solution problem. Delhi, we have a government after 27 years. We inherited a lot of things in legacy. If you ask me to data, we have a legacy of 152,000 metric tons of garbage. We have thousands of tons of dust lying on the roads. We are cleaning. But if you compare the AQI of 2025, November, December month with the 2024, 2023, it is still 550 points better than the last year.
It will be because wherever the monitors are, you have been portraying water. We have seen that how the water has been thrown. यहाँ पर एक monitor लगा हुआ है सर, उसका monitor क्यों बंद करा हुआ है? Why can't people know what is the AQI here at Lodi Road?
Delhi has the highest number of monitoring stations in the country.
All of them are being watered by the government so that the pollution levels can come down.
Either you listen to me or put...
I will only ask questions what people are asking.
Let me reply also, no?
Sure.
Delhi has 40 monitoring stations. You know, each parameter has different equipment and separate test measures. They are indoors. Just if you pour water on those instruments, they will be destroyed. It is not possible to put water on the instruments to take the readings. Only on the hot spots. Delhi has many hotspots where the AQI is high. The sprinkling of water is the suppressing of this. That is done.
So if you do the sprinkling around the monitors, not on the monitors, won't it suppress?
You cannot sprinkle water on the monitor.
I did not say that. Around the monitors.
So it is in the hotspot.
So hold on. You are saying in hotspots, if you sprinkle water.
It is not only
hold on.
It is all over the country.
Can I speak?
All over the city.
Can I speak? If in hotspots you sprinkle water, that helps in bringing down the pollution,
that helps in the dust mitigation.
And that helps in bringing down the pollution level. PM 2.5 and PM 10 level.
Dust mitigation, yes.
Good.
Yes.
So if you start doing that exactly around the hotspots, won't the readings show much lower than anywhere else?
No. See, it is being done all over the city. We have mist spray. Now we have installed in IT on several places. We have the water sprinkling tankers all over the city just to mitigate the dust. These are being used.
And that includes switching off the monitors for few hours in Diwali. That is the allegation that has been.
No, it is not. It is not switching. It is not switching. You are using the wrong word. It is not switching.
I'm saying that's the allegation on the government.
I'm replying, huh? I'm replying.